Because all the people who pay no net taxes get it free. It's not you don't need to be crazy to work at Red Lobster, they will train you shirt prepaid in. Part BC. That's not how insurance works. If you get injured day one, you get care. Even if you haven't prepaid. It's in. You don't need to be crazy to work at Red Lobster, they will train you shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. They aren't paying. I shouldn't have to. You don't need to be crazy to work at Red Lobster, they will train you shirt. Pay for them with my taxes. It's my taxes paying for lazy people to have healthcare. Most uninsured are low-income families with at least one person working. Their jobs don't offer insurance, or they don't pay enough to pay enough for insurance. Low income means you have trouble paying the rent. I shouldn't have to pay for them with my taxes. You're already paying with higher insurance premiums and higher taxes. You might not have a problem with people needlessly dying or living in pain and misery. Other products and NBSP.